Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Today we will learn about China Marine Cargo Additional Insurance. Additional insurance refers to the types of insurance that cannot be separately insured and must be allowed to be added based on actual needs on top of the basic insurance. That is, the types of insurance attached to the basic insurance. In addition to losses caused by natural disasters or accidents at sea, ocean transportation goods may also suffer losses due to various external reasons during transportation. In order to obtain more comprehensive protection, it is necessary for shippers to add additional insurance related to the goods in transit. There are many types of additional insurance for marine cargo transportation, and the Chinese marine cargo transportation terms classify the additional insurance covered into general additional insurance and special additional insurance. General additional risks cover the losses of goods caused by general external factors. There are currently 11 types of general additional insurance covered by China's marine cargo transportation insurance. 1. Theft, pilferage, and non-delivery insurance. TPND mainly underwrites 3 types of losses suffered by the insured goods during the insurance period. First, losses caused by theft. Second is the loss caused by the consignee not taking delivery of the entire package after the goods arrive at the destination. Thirdly, according to the provisions of the transportation contract, the ship owner and other responsible parties are exempt from compensation, and the insurer is responsible for compensating these losses based on the insured value. 2. Freshwater and rain damage insurance. Freshwater and rain damage insurance mainly underwrites losses caused by direct exposure to freshwater, rain, and melting of ice and snow during transportation of the insured goods. Losses caused by rain include splashing of rainwater and river water, as well as losses caused by melting ice and snow on goods. Losses caused by fresh water include cabin sweat formed by condensation of water vapor in the cabin, and losses caused by leakage of freshwater tanks or pipes on board to cargo. 3. Risk of shortage. Risk of shortage mainly underwrites losses caused by shortages in quantity and weight of goods during transportation. There are many reasons for the shortage, and the losses of quantity mainly include natural wear and tear, packaging rupture, unclear sweeping loading and unloading loss, inaccurate weighing instruments, and the theft. 4. Risk of intermixture and contamination mainly covers losses caused by impurities or contamination of insured goods during transportation due to contact with other substances. Some goods, especially bulk grains, mineral sands, and granular chemical products, are prone to mixing with soil, grass, debris, gravel, and so on, which can affect their quality. However, goods such as paper, clothing, clothes, and food are more likely to be contaminated with oil or colored substances and cause losses. After adding this additional insurance, the insurer will compensate for mixed and contaminated losses. 5. Risk of leakage. The main coverage of risk of leakage includes leakage losses caused by container damage during transportation of liquid and liquid goods, leakage losses caused by pipeline rupture during the transportation of crude oil and other oils, and the losses caused by decay and the deterioration of goods stored in liquid due to storage leakage. If salted casings, wet beef, and mutton skins, jars of pickled vegetables, fermented bean curd, and other pickled foods are stored in wooden barrels, once the storage solution leaks, the salted casings and skins are easy to deterioration, and the pickled foods cannot be eaten. 6. Risk of clash and breakage. Due to accidents caused by natural disasters at sea or transportation vehicles during the insurance period, the damage and breakage of goods have been covered by two basic types of insurance, FPA and WPA. Therefore, as a general additional insurance, the damage and breakage insurance mainly assumes compensation liability for all external factors, such as improper unloading, rough loading and unloading operations, or failure to follow operating procedures. 7. Risk of old. Risk of old insurance mainly covers the loss of cross-contamination or old caused by the influence of other items during the transportation of the insured goods. Food, beverages, tea, traditional Chinese medicine, spices, and other goods are prone to cross-contamination and flavor changes. If they are stored in the same cargo hold with leather and items with fishy or odorous odors during transportation, they are highly likely to be cross-contaminated and damage the quality of the goods. In addition, if these goods are loaded in uncleaned cabins, they will also be affected by the old left in the cabin, resulting in a loss of quality. 8. Risk of sweeping or heating. Risk of sweeping or heating mainly covers the loss of insured goods caused by moisture and heat in the cabin during transportation, which must have occurred during transportation. The direct cause of the loss is the condensation, moisture generation, and heating of water vapor in the cabin, which must be caused by sudden changes in temperature during transportation or by the failure of ventilation equipment on board. 9. Risk of hook damage. Hook damage insurance covers the loss of the insured goods caused by the use of hook tools such as hand hooks and lifting hooks during transportation, loading and unloading, resulting in the direct breakage of the goods themselves or the leakage of the goods caused by the damage of the outer packaging. The insured shall not only be responsible for compensating for the loss of goods caused by being hooked, but also bear the reasonable costs incurred for replacement and repair due to packaging being hooked. Risk of breakage or packing covers losses such as shortage, contamination, moisture caused by package rupture due to careless handling or loading and unloading of the insured goods during transportation. Generally, block, granule, and powder goods packaged in bags, boxes, barrels, or baskets are prone to such losses. If the packaging rupture is caused by poor packaging or other reasons, resulting in loss of the insured goods, the insurer is not responsible for compensation. Rust insurance. Rust insurance covers losses caused by rusting of the insured goods during transportation, provided that such rusting occurred during the insurance period. Metal or metal products are prone to rusting. Exercise. Please analyze what types of insurance should be taken out for the following ocean transportation goods. So much for this class. Thank you for your attendance.